Okay, hello everyone. Okay, so we're going to install Git. Now there's a high chance that Git is already installed on your computer, but even if it is, it's important that we install it so we get the latest version of it. So there are multiple ways to install it. You can use the terminal, the command line. You could use what's called Homebrew. I most likely will make a separate video of how to use Homebrew or the terminal to install Git, but for now we're going to use the install. It's the easiest way to install it, and so you can just type install Git and it should take you to a link where there's another a page where there's another link, or there's a link to go to their website to download it. So for Mac, click on this link and then you'd see a link over here that says download for Mac. So when you click on this, there are a bunch of ways to install it. If you're already using Homebrew, you can type in brew install Git, but if you're not, don't worry too much about it. Like I said, I'll most likely make a separate video of how to install it using Homebrew or other ways using the terminal, but for now we're going to use installer. Under binary installer, you can see that there is an installer over here to install Git. So we need to click on that, and then it takes us to SourceForge, or in the future maybe some kind of software installation site. Click on download to start the process. It's going to pop up after a few seconds, prompting you to either open or save it. Now you can save it, or you can open directly the DMG file. Now I've already downloaded this, not installed it, downloaded this, so I'm going to cancel this. It's right here, but definitely save it if you haven't. So here it is. Once you finish downloading it, this is what it's going to look like. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to open up this. When I double click the package for the first time, like for you, it won't work for you. You probably get a prompt that says that this software cannot be trusted by Apple, and so therefore you can't open it. If that's the case for you, make sure you hold Control and then click on this, and then either hit open or open with and select installer. I'm going to hit open because that's also going to use the installer. Click on that, and then you just walk through the installation guide. So I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to choose a location. By default it's my Macintosh HD, and hit install. I'm going to type in the password of my computer, so bear with me here, and then I was just going to go ahead and install just like a regular software. So I'm just going to give it a few seconds and it's done. I'm going to close this. It's asking me if I want to move the application to trash. Yes, I don't think I'm going to need it again. If I need it, I know where to find it, so I'm going to move it to trash, but you can also keep it. I'm going to move mine to trash. And so we go into the terminal, and then you can click on the terminal directly. You could use command space and type in terminal and then hit enter. You could go to your Finder and then go to applications, go inside utilities, a folder called utilities, and then you find terminal here. Or you can also open up your quick launcher using the gesture, or the gesture, or you can use the keyboard shortcut, the keyboard shortcut F4, keyboard button F4 to open up your quick launcher and then type in terminal. So there are multiple ways to get there, but I have my terminal open. Let's close this browser, and to verify if Git is installed on the computer, you can type in the command which space and then get and hit enter, and then it's going to tell you the location where Git was installed. If you want to know the version, you can type in git space -- version, hit enter, and it tells you the version here. So that's how to install it using the installer. But like I said, I'll probably make videos of how to install it other ways. And so from here we're going to move on, learning about Git. If you have any questions, please post down below and I'll do everything to respond to them. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time with the next video. Alright then, bye bye.